Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, and we have 2 days of powerful training coming to the Maryland area. This is going to be occurring on May 1st, and it's going to be Generate More Leads for Free. This class is open to everybody. It doesn't even have to be a real estate agent. It can be small businesses. You're going to come in, you're going to learn how to lead generate and do this effectively, and you're actually going to do it right there in class. Records for this class, 63 listings for one agent in 1 hour. Let's see if we can beat that. There's tons of other records to beat for this one as well. So make sure you bring your laptop. Then on Wednesday, May 2nd, it's going to be the power of KW Tech. I'm going to walk you through all of the new things that were announced at Family Reunion, but more importantly, all the things that we already have access to and have had access to for a while. Let's make sure that we have this set up and set up right. I've got agents who have done that, and they are now making over an extra $100,000 a year to the bottom line. So this is a class that you definitely do not want to miss. It's $59 for one day, a bargain price of $99 for both days. Sign up on the link right here, and we'll see you guys very soon.